Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation. We're going to be using the product rule on this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down x cubed and then take the derivative of y, which is 3y squared, and then you write y prime. Then we're going to go from here and take the derivative, write down derivative of this one, which is just going to be 3x squared times your y cubed. Alright? Now for this y, derivative of y is just going to be the derivative of y, which is y prime. And then we have the derivative of x is 1. So I'm going to clean this up a little bit. We have 3x cubed y squared y prime plus 3x squared. What I'm going to do is move over move this part over to the right side. So I'm going to have minus y prime equals 1 minus 3x squared y cubed. Now on this one I'm going to factor out a y prime because that's what we're solving for. So this will be 3x cubed y squared minus 1 equals 1 minus 3x squared y cubed. Now divide both sides by this here to cancel. So you're going to get y prime equals 1 minus 3x squared y cubed over 3x cubed y squared minus 1. Okay, the next one is very similar, and I think what I'm going to do first is write this as xy to the 1/2, which is the same as, let's see, x to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2. So let's see what we can do with this one. So we're going to differentiate this, and I guess I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to use my power rule. So I'm going to have 1/2 times xy times negative to the negative 1/2 power. Then I have to differentiate the product in the middle. So the inner product is going to be x times the derivative of y plus the derivative of x, which is just 1, times y. Alright? Now on this side, the derivative of x is just 1, and the derivative of 2y is just going to be 2y prime. And this is supposed to be, okay, so it's going to be minus 2, and I'm taking the derivative of y. Now, let me clean this up a little bit. You're going to have x over 2 square root of xy times y prime. I'm distributing and everything. Plus y over 2 square root of x. And then that's going to be, I'm going to move these two guys over, minus 1 plus 2y prime equals 0. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is go ahead and clear the fractions by multiplying by everything by 2 square root of xy. And that clears the fractions. And I'm going to move it on the other side, and that's going to give you xy prime plus y minus 2 square root of xy plus 4 square root of x, y times y prime equals 0. Now, I'm going to group my y primes together, so I'm going to have xy prime plus 4 square root of xy times y prime. And I'll move these two guys onto the right side, so it's going to be, move him over first, 2 square root of xy minus y. The next step is factoring out the y prime, which is going to be x plus 4 square root of xy equals 2 square root of xy minus y, and then divide both sides by this quantity here. So you're going to get 2 square root of y minus y over x plus 4 square root of xy. And that's your final answer. That's your derivative of y. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.